ThatNeedle AI is a brand new software that's creating a lot of buzz in the AI space. Whether you're a business owner or just curious about the latest tech, there are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this tool before you dive in. And stick around till the end because I'll share where you can try it for free and some key insights that could change the way you use AI for your work. Let's dive right in. First things first. ThatNeedle AI is designed to automate and streamline some of the most tedious tasks in digital marketing and business operations. It's not just a basic tool, it's built to integrate with existing systems, making it a game changer for anyone looking to improve efficiency without compromising on quality. One of the standard features of ThatNeedle AI is its incredibly intuitive interface. Unlike other complex AI tools, this software makes it easy for even beginners to jump right in and start optimizing their workflows. If you're overwhelmed by the thought of learning a new tool, rest easy. ThatNeedle AI is designed to be user-friendly from the start. Now, one of the biggest questions you might have is how this software can help with automation. ThatNeedle AI shines in automating repetitive marketing tasks, from content creation to customer outreach. Imagine cutting your workload in half while still maintaining the quality and consistency of your marketing campaigns. It integrates well with popular platforms, so whether you're running ads, handling email marketing, or managing social media, ThatNeedle AI has you covered. Another key thing to note is ThatNeedle AI's data analysis capabilities. This software is not just for executing tasks. It helps you make smarter, data-driven decisions. By pulling insights from your existing data, ThatNeedle AI gives you actionable reports and recommendations that can help you optimize your strategy for even better results. This makes it an ideal tool for businesses looking to scale quickly without the extra effort. What about customization? ThatNeedle AI isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It offers powerful customization options, allowing you to tailor its features to your unique needs. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger enterprise, you can tweak the software to align with your specific goals and operations. But here's something that sets ThatNeedle AI apart. It's cutting-edge AI learning. This tool adapts to your data and processes over time, getting smarter as it goes. The more you use it, the more effective it becomes at predicting trends, optimizing workflows, and even suggesting new strategies to drive growth. Now, I know you're probably wondering if it's really as good as it sounds, and that's where it gets exciting. You can try ThatNeedle AI completely for free, with no strings attached. All you have to do is click the first link below to get started, and you can see for yourself how well this tool fits into your business. At the end of the day, ThatNeedle AI is an incredibly powerful tool for anyone in digital marketing, business development, or even just someone looking to optimize their workflows. With its easy-to-use interface, automation features, and data-driven insights, it's definitely a tool worth checking out. Before I go, make sure to check the description for my recommended AI software. After trying thousands of AI tools, these are the ones that have truly stood out. You can try them for free and see how they fit your needs. If you're serious about streamlining your processes and boosting your results, ThatNeedle AI is something you definitely want to try. And don't forget, click the link below to get your free trial and start transforming the way you work today.